money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle. For sure, it makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, really had to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact, no slack. But luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax in my mind, sipping some red wine. I said jiggle jiggle, it folds. Wiggle, for sure, it makes me want to dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, really had to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact, no slack. But luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax in my mind, sipping some red wine. Red wine. Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't listen.
Hi, Rose. Uy, yung baril ko nasan? Na-load na yun, ah. Hi, Rose. Ito yung ano namin. Asan yung body mo? Ito yung body ko.
Makinig po, makinig! Makinig po, Uy! Ayun na! Hindi mo po kailangan sa atin, no? Ito ha, yung po ang ating isang stay ha. Tawag yan. Pagka naubusan kayo ng pala, wala pong magagandaw kasi pwede pa kayo tumatch ng flag. Pero dito, one hit type wala.
Lakim. Yung magkukuha ng plug, i-cover nyo na lang doon.
Ikaw daw pati siyang cover po dito.
Uy, sino? Ayan, body ko, oh.
Mating na gray pati. Natin yung plano, may tatlo tayong tao dito, meron tayo dito. Yung isa po pwesto ko sa ilalim ng tower. Gets po. Alam niyo po yung pwesto ng ilalim ng tower. Huwag po kayong papasok sa loob ng tower. Sa labas kayo, talagang turbo. Lumalapit ka na. Huwag na kayong bumalik ng malayan kasi malulukit yun. Okay? Hindi naman ang umaamin yung iba. Okay? Malulawa plano, ready na kayo?
Sino didepensa dito? Si ano? Sige. Akala ko ikaw magbabody kay ano. I-cover mo si ano eh.
Sige.
Kayo magbabody ni Rose. Yung isa, try nyo kayo. 5, at least 5 yung ano.
Sama-sama na po yung magkakasama.
Yung magdidepensa dito.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Go
Never
Blackpink.
listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when
Dito na mga mahihit dito.
never looking back. I'm
Isang minuto na lang para pwede lang itag ang flag. Isang minuto na lang para pwede lang itag ang flag. Isang minuto.
try my best to move along, push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets, live with every breath. My message starts to spread, and I have so many dreams.
Uy, match mo. Hindi ako galawa.
Really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always moving
Uy, si Rose po rin dito na. Rose, kuha mo na yung plug, Rose.
Never give up, never slow till I finally
Ingay.
never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the songs. I'll be medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being true.
Nakasiyar, competitive yan.
I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do.
Uy, kalaban na sa likod.
Let me in.
Cover mo.
Pwede lang itag ang flag. Pwede lang itag.
I'm grateful. Oh yeah, able. Oh yeah, I'm stable. Oh yeah, I'm lonely.
Rose!
I'm going the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say things that
Oh my gosh!
if you want it, baby, I'll show you ways.
Kita-kita nyo naman ha. Pagkapanalo nila ha.
Yay!
Gusto kami sa likod eh. Kasi nakabantay kami.
Yay!
Shooters gonna shoot, and I'm the shooter. Always do it.
May mga bala pa ba kayo?
Ito yung body ko.
Naubusan kayo. Balik muna tayo sa camp. Pahinga po muna tayo ng minuto ulit. Tapos, lagot tayo. Black.
Ang ninalo po ay Black Team, pero may laban pa po tayo ha, may pag-asa pa po ang team. Pagparilod po muna yung huwag ka ng bala, pag-asa ka ng balik.
Uy, bala ko. Yung baril ko.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.